Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry for EAMCET. Start with the core. Organic chemistry for EAMCET requires a strong foundation. Begin by mastering nomenclature and identifying functional groups, which are the building blocks of all organic compounds. Then, delve into general organic chemistry concepts, understanding the fundamental principles that govern reactions. Practice drawing reaction mechanisms repeatedly. This visual approach helps solidify your understanding of electron movement and bond changes. This initial phase is crucial for success. Once you have the basics, dive deep into reaction mechanisms. Don't just memorize, understand the why behind each step. Practice drawing mechanisms for at least 5 to 10 different reactions every day. Pay close attention to identifying electrophiles and nucleophiles, as this is key to predicting outcomes. Also, understand how catalysts and specific reaction conditions, like temperature or solvent, influence the reaction pathway. Consistent practice is your best friend here. EAMCET often tests your knowledge of named reactions and their associated reagents. Make a comprehensive list of all important named reactions, such as the Wurtz reaction or aldol condensation. For each, clearly note the reactants, reagents, and products. Flashcards are an excellent tool for memorization and quick recall. Beyond just memorizing, try to understand the synthetic utility of each reaction, how it can be used to build more complex molecules. Aim to review at least 20 named reactions weekly. The final, crucial step is extensive problem-solving and revision. Dedicate significant time to solving multiple-choice questions from various sources, including at least 10 full-length practice tests. Analyze previous EAMCET papers to understand question patterns and common pitfalls. For every incorrect answer, identify your weak area and immediately revisit the corresponding topic. Consistent revision and targeted practice will boost your confidence and improve your accuracy significantly, ensuring you are fully prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.